Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Walmart app not working. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to use the Walmart app, but for whatever reason it's not working. How do you actually go ahead and fix it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you can first try is on an iPhone device, if you actually go ahead and swipe and hold, okay, so this is what the window will look like. If you swipe and hold just like this, and then hold on the Walmart window with one finger, and then swipe up again, that right there is actually going to head and reset the Walmart app. So now try opening up the Walmart app again and seeing if that works. Now, if that continues to still not work, what you can do next is that you could actually go into the App Store and then click on search on the bottom right hand corner. And then let's type in Walmart, search for the Walmart app, and just make sure that it's actually up to date. So go ahead and update the Walmart app if that's not working or if it's not up to date and see if that works. The next thing that you can do is that you could actually go ahead and reset your phone as a last resort. So clicking on the volume up and power down button, depending on what iPhone model you have, will go ahead and reset your phone and then check to see if the Walmart app works that way. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix the Walmart app not working. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.